Okay guys, so this is going to be very important. This is going to be setting everything up. So when it comes to the color scheme, you right click and you go to settings. Okay, this is tradingview.com, by the way. Always use TradingView. When it comes to the actual tradings, you're going to use your phone. It's going to be MetaTrader 4. Only MetaTrader 4. That's all you use, okay? So let's go ahead and go to settings and show you my appearance. Okay, copy this down if you want. This is exactly how it should look. Horizontal grid lines pretty much not there on each. Background white. And then when it comes to the actual bodies, borders, and wicks, this is going to be exactly the color scheme we use because it's very easy to see, very simple to read, and you're going to be able to catch the most setups using this color scheme, trust me. So take a picture of that, okay? Now, when it comes to the Fibonacci, this is very, very important because the Fibonacci is going to be how a lot of these trades are based, if not all of these trades. Okay? This is what my Fibonacci looks like. And I'm going to move this up so you can see it better. Yeah! Sorry, somebody came to my door. But look, this is the Fibonacci setup, okay? I'm going to show you exactly how we use this and how to set it up, okay? So let's click the Fibonacci and go to settings. Take a picture of this, look at the color scheme, write all these numbers in these exact spots, okay? Do that on TradingView for your Fibonacci and then save it, okay? Right there. Now, how do we use these? Anytime price, let's say we're looking for a reversal, let's say we're looking for a buy. Price is up here. We're going to wait for price to come down, reject this zone, only this zone, sometimes this zone, but mostly this zone. Once we see a rejection here, then we're safe to buy or sell as long as we're in confluence with everything else, okay? So it's very important that you have your Fibonacci drawn. Now, what do these lines mean, okay? Once price hits this purple line, you put your brakes to stop even, okay? Always put your stop loss to break even once it hits this first take profit. Then, take profit 2. Stop loss here. Same thing. Stop loss here. Okay? Until your final take profit has been hit. Once this take profit gets hit, you're done. You just made all your money. But you're always going to put your brakes to even right here. This is usually where your entry is going to be. Once you hit the purple, break even. Once you hit here, stop loss here. Once you hit here, stop loss here. Once you hit here, it's over. Okay? Very simple Fibonacci setup, and that's how we're going to run the Fibonacci. Now, another very, very important setup we need is the moving average and the exponential moving average. So you're going to go to indicators, type in moving average. Okay, check this out. These two right here. Moving average exponential and moving average regular. Okay, then you're going to go to settings on the EMA. You want it to an 8. Moving average set to a 21. Anytime this red bearish candle is on the bottom, we're looking for a buy. Anytime it's on the top, we're looking for a sell. So as you can see, a crossover here means buy. So if we then checked our Fibonacci, and let's say we entered our gold zone, which we almost hit, that's 2 confluences to buy, and look what happened. Boom, market structure broken. Up, heavy. So you got the moving averages set, right? You got your Fibonacci set. You know what site we're using, color scheme, everything's good. This is all set up now.